To download and install new fonts on Android, start by locating a trusted font download website or app. There are several options available, including Google Fonts, DaFont, and 1001 free fonts. Once you have found a font you like, download the font file to your device, usually in a zip or TTF format. Next, locate the downloaded font file using your device's file manager app. If the font file is zipped, you will need to extract it first. Most file manager apps have a built-in zip extractor, or you can download a separate zip extractor app. After extracting the font file, copy the TTF file to the fonts directory on your device. This is usually located in the System folder, but the exact location may vary depending on your device and Android version. You may need to enable root access or use a font installer app to install the font. If you do not want to root your device or use a font installer app, you can also install fonts through the Settings menu on some Android devices. To do this, go to the Settings menu and select the Display or Personalization option. Look for a Font Style or Font Manager option and select it. You can then browse to the location of the font file and select it to install. Once the font is installed, you can apply it to your device by selecting it from the Font Style or Font Manager option in the Settings menu. You can also use the new font in specific apps, such as Microsoft Office or Adobe Acrobat, by selecting the font from the font menu within the app. It is essential to note that not all Android devices support custom fonts, and some devices may require root access to install new fonts. Additionally, be cautious when downloading fonts from unknown sources, as they may contain malware or viruses. Always download fonts from trusted websites or apps to ensure your device remains secure. By following these steps, you can easily download and install new fonts on your Android device, giving you more options for customizing the look and feel of your device.